Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can generate nearly around $50 to $60 per day with the help of free strategies and with the help of affiliate marketing. So before jumping ahead, those people who are watching me for the very first time, I am Tapesh from tapeshchowdhury.com, and in this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, making money online and various other cool ways by which you can generate huge amount of money. If you are interested to make money online from your home, I have created a couple of videos, and all the videos you will learn different strategies, different ways by which you can generate money by sitting at home. And yes, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you people subscribe because I create such an amazing videos like this. Okay, and yes, I'm very sorry that I'm unable to create videos on a regular basis because I am working on some other project, and yes, from now onwards I'll be consistent enough with the YouTube channel. So anyways, to get the work started, we will be using one affiliate website, that is Audible. Audible is a program of Amazon, and yes, with the help of these strategies, whatever I'm going to show over the video, you can generally earn huge amount of money if you are applying, if you are exactly doing the same thing whatever I'm going to explain to you. So this is mainly an audiobook player with, and yes, there are plenty of people who loves to listen the books because they don't have time, maybe when they are traveling, maybe if you are doing some extra work, maybe household works, you can play the books on your earphone and you can listen the books. And yes, even if you want to grow yourself, you need to read books, or if you don't have any time, I personally recommend you just listen to audiobook, or maybe you can listen to podcast. It will grow your business, or maybe if you are willing to learn anything, you can literally learn anything and everything with the help of audiobooks. Okay, and audiobooks are getting popularity day by day, and yes, this is what our future. So for this video, you need to promote Audible program, and as per Amazon associate guidelines, they are saying that you will be generating $10 for those visitors who avail for premium membership, gold membership, and yes, they are giving 30 days of free trial. Okay, here you can see 30 days of free trial somewhere. 30 days of free trial, and as per Amazon guideline, as per Audible policies, they are giving you $5 for any of the person who signs up for 30 days of free trial with your affiliate link. So this is what our target. You will be generating $5 to anyone by referring Audible program. So now, in order to generate $50 to $60, you will need nearly around 10 signups per day. And yes, if you can mention that you can join 30 days of free trial, and after that, if you give your affiliate link, then you can literally earn good amount of signups. You can literally earn good amount of money. You can generate good amount of signups because people love free stuffs. And yes, of course, 30 days of free trial, everyone will sign up. And yes, if they don't even buy, also if they don't even subscribe for any of the membership of Audible, you will be generating $5 for any successful sign up. That's all what you have to do, and it is very easy because you don't need to sell any products. You have to drive traffic to affiliate link, and yes, people will automatically sign up because they are giving 30 days free trial. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to join LinkedIn. And yes, LinkedIn is a very potential social media with network, very good network where you can generate good amount of traffic. And in LinkedIn, we will be using groups. Okay, so you can do the same strategy with Facebook groups as well, but personally I have seen the traffic on LinkedIn is far more qualified and much more engaging as compared to traffic in Facebook groups. Okay, so this is the reason I am using in the LinkedIn group. So you have to simply type some, you can simply write any of the books, or maybe health and fitness, or maybe relationship, anything and everything. You can simply write on the search bar, and after that you have to sort it by groups. And what you have to do, simply you have to join nearly around 20 groups. Okay, and yes, make sure you people join those groups who has nearly around 10k plus members, because you can see here 93k and 101k. So these are all huge traffic groups. Okay, so you have to simply join, and you can just give you can just write some article, or maybe you can write some post, and after that you can give your affiliate link that hey, I have an offer, you can join Audible program, I love reading books, or something like that. Okay, and after that you can give your you can just mention that you if you want, if you are interested in audiobooks, then you can join. And here is the 30 days of free trial, so you can promote your affiliate link with the help of these groups. Okay, so as I said, if you need in order to generate $50, you will need only 5 into, just I'm assuming, as I said, you will get $5 for every sign-ups who will be signing up for 30 days free trial. So you will need only just 10 sign-ups, so you will be able to generate good amount of money if you are promoting every single day. So initially you have to simply just give your affiliate links to all your prospective groups, and you have to join different groups. And if you just simply share your affiliate links to 10 or 20 groups every single day, then you can easily see then minimum 10 or 15 signups on your affiliate on your Amazon Audible account. And yes, after 30 days you will get your commission. This is so easy and so simple. That's it. You have to simply join the group, and you have to post on minimum 10 or 12 groups per day, or if you can go at least 20 groups, that will be awesome. Okay, so that's what you have to do. And yes, if you have any concerns, you can let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you are not following me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram. I have given the link in the description. So thank you so much for watching the whole video.